Hello, I hope you're doing fantastic today. I'm Sensei Paz from North-Magnolia, and today we're going to be talking about instant pathways in Minecraft. Now, for this video, I'm going to already assume that you have downloaded Minecraft Code Connection and also Minecraft Education Edition. Let's get started. And we're going to be started in this C. Okay. I'm a bit stuck, as you can tell. So, what am I to do? Well, let's get coding. We're going to start off by deciding how we're going to use our function. I kind of like bows, so why not, whenever an arrow is shot, our function starts. Let's do that. Let's do player dot on arrow shot. I press enter there for code completion. I'll do that again. Player dot on and press enter, and it'll open this up, or it'll give you that without having to type it. Let's make some space. And inside of it, we're going to do blocks dot print, and then we're going to type in what we want it to print. Let's start with something simple so you know how this function works. Let's put hi, comma, and then material. So I think we're in the ocean, right? So ice should be somewhere in the ocean. So let's do blue ice. Blue ice. And then the position, that's important. It's going to be on top of us. And then let's do west. Now let's add a semicolon here. And let's run it. As you can see, nothing happens, which is what's supposed to happen. But if I shoot a bow shot, phew, there it goes. It starts building it. Now this isn't particularly useful if I want to get to that island over there, because that's not going to move and it's not really a bridge. So what should we do? Is there anything on your keyboard that looks like a bridge or looks like a platform? Maybe, I don't know, dash? Or even better, an underscore if you press shift, yeah, if you press shift and then press the dash key, you get an underscore. Well, let's try that. And this time, look at where it's going. It's not going this way. It will go that way. You see that? That means that this is west. And if you know your coordinates, you would know that that is north. So let's type in north, press play, and now it should shoot this way. There we go. Now that we got it where we want it to be, we have to fix a tiny issue. It's a bit buggy, because whenever I shoot a bow, it kicks me out of where I'm standing, and it puts it on my head. That's not good. So let's offset it a bit. That's being buggy. It's not wanting to delete. Okay, we'll ignore that for now. Let's go here and change the position to -2. So that way it's 2 blocks below. So instead of being on my head, oh, finally disappeared. Instead of being on my head, it's going to go 1 block below, so on my feet, and 2 blocks below my feet. So now when I shoot the bow, it should not kick me off the island. There we go. But it does replace the block next to my foot. So let's make it go in front of us by adding a -1 here. And then I will shoot the bow over here. Actually, you know what? So I can tell you how this works, and so it looks better. I'm gonna replace my little platform, and as you can see, it's not gonna replace the block below me. Ta-da! And now, if we go back in here, we can just add a bunch of these. And if I destroy this and shoot my bow again, phew! There we go. We got ourselves repeating platforms. And if we run out, we can just do it again, and it'll keep spawning them. We can finally get to our island. Success. Before I end this video though, I want to teach you about what this is. I didn't explain it when I typed it in, but that's saying that in the Z direction, because this is X, Y, Z, remember, X and Y are always to the side and up. But what is Z? Well, when you're in something like Minecraft, which is 3D, you're not just moving left and up, so to speak. You're actually looking around. So in Minecraft, that turns forward into Z, backwards still into Z because it's the same line, and it turns this way into X because Y is always the height. Y is always up there. Let's say if I change this to 33, and I do only one this time, this will spawn it way up there. You see? So let's change that to -2. And let's change this to +1. And you will be able to see that when we shoot our bow, it's going to go that way. Phew. Nope, it didn't. But it did start there. That's my bad. I should have explained that. This starts one block earlier. So if I'm standing here, it's going to start on this block. It's going to replace that block. It's still going to go that way because, well, we've told it to go north. If we want it to go the opposite way, what's the opposite of north? South. So let's shoot it again. And now it goes this way. But remember, I changed this back to only 1 underscore. So let's do this again, like that. And now we have our platform again. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and happy coding!